I have heard, as you've asked, that somebody has filed a suit against the Bank of Uganda. We've not yet seen it. We've not yet received those summons. But as and when we do, we will file the appropriate response. So I can't speak much about that and say in the penal code that prescribes penalties for any acts that disrespect the currency. But as you know, the Bank of Uganda Act was last amended in '93, and since then there have been several developments, and indeed the Bank of Uganda has proposed various amendments across the board. I mean, there's been a lot of developments in the financial sector. So this is not the only, there are several proposals that we have to amend the Bank of Uganda Act, and this is one of them. Now, this has been an ongoing process, and as I speak, the proposed amendments are with the Ministry of Finance, and there will be, it will come to the end in due course, but that is something that we are actively working on. And all I can tell you is that the proposed amendments have some stiff penalties among them. So we hope that that process can conclude at the earliest possible time.